Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade options on CMC Markets. And right now, first of all, you need to create your account. You can create a demo account or a normal account. If you don't have any idea how to do that, I created 2 videos how you can create your account, so check one of those. And then after that, once you did everything correct, you come right here to this trading page. Then right now, what you need to do is go here to products and then we click on options. Then right now you will see here the options that we can trade. And if you now, for example, click on Nvidia Group, you will get here the option list. But there's one thing that you need to know. The market is closed right now. So that is why we can't do anything. But right now, if you want to trade in options, you select right here in options. We'll get here your order type and then you can fill everything in correctly and then click there on buy. And then after that, you just create yourselves a nice position and trade with options. So this is the way how you can trade options right here on CMC Markets. It's a little bit sad that the market is closed right now, but otherwise I showed you everything how to do that. But this is the way how you can trade options, and hopefully this was the video where you was looking for. So for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.